If you want to speak like native, want to use some advanced phrases like used to, get used to and used to, then this video is exclusively for you. Hello folks, welcome to my channel #enlighten. I am here with another English grammar video, so watch video till the end. I'll be telling you answers of my previous quiz and giving you new quiz too. If you haven't subscribed yet, then don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we will understand when to use used to and how to use it. First one is used to. We use it while talking about our past habits that no longer exist. Some habits we have got in the past but now we are not into it. Or some state that is not same in the present. You should use it like this. Used to plus base verb. For example, I used to run for hours when I was young. Here you talk about your running habit in the past that you don't do in the present. To show past state, you can say, I used to work as a teacher, but now I am a YouTuber. I'm really looking forward to it. It talks about my past state, but right now I'm not into it. Secondly, we use used to talk about things which are completely normal to us. You should use it like this. To be verb plus used to plus noun or pronoun. For example, I am used to his anger. I can deal with it. So here his is pronoun. His anger is completely normal for you. Another example would be like this. She is so talented, so she is used to compliments. Here compliment is noun. Or you should use it in this way too. To be verb plus used to plus ing form of verb. For example, you are used to working at night because you are a night owl. Night owl is a basically phrase we use to call someone who is staying up all the night. Let's move further. Next one is used to. So although we pronounce used to and used to both in a similar way, but there is a difference between two. Whenever we pronounce used to, there is a stretch, and whenever we say used to, then it's a little bit quick. So you can understand the difference between two pronunciation. There is a confusion between when to use used to and when to use used to. Used to and used to both have same function, but we use used to in negative and questions. For example, he didn't used to visit me frequently when I was sick. Here it's a negative sentence where we use used to. Next one is, are you used to this hot weather? Because it is boiling here. Here you are asking question about hot weather. Last one is get used to. It is different from used to because we use it when we try to change ourselves into something. We try to get used to some things. We use it like this. To be verb plus get used to plus ing form of verb, or you can use like this also. To be verb plus get used to plus noun or pronoun. You can use it in any tense. For example, I am getting used to this cold weather. Now you're getting familiar with this cold weather. Next example would be like this. He got used to her bad cooking after some time. This sentence we often use after marriage. Next one is you'll get used to the atmosphere of this new school. My last video was how to use should have, would have and could have in super simple way. I did give you one quiz at that time and I told you that I'll be giving you that answers in the next video. So I have put on all the answers in the description box below. Along with that, don't forget to check out that questions and answers in the description box below. And if you like this video, then give it a huge thumbs up. So friends, I hope you get all the things. Now I'm going to give you some examples to solve. First one is, did you dash watching English movies? Next one is, you'll never dash my nature. Third one is, he was dash live in London but nowadays he is in Paris. Fourth one is, she is dash cooking. And last one is, we will dash trekking. So quickly solve these questions and comment in the inbox, or you can send me a mail too. I'll put my email ID in the description box below. So friends, that's it for today's learning session. I hope you have understood all the things in easy way. How to use used to, get used to it, and used to in your sentences. Hit the bell icon while you subscribe to get notified every time I post a new video. And if you find this video informative, then let me know in the comment section below. Give it a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye.